My name is Johanna Dakris, but you can call me Johanna. I'm from Industrial Engineering 42 INT, and this video I want to tell you about Industrial 4.0. So let's begin. So guys, as we know that there are 4 revolution, and we can call it first Industry 1.0, 2 Industry 2.0, 3 Industry 3.0, and the last is Industry 4.0. So guys, Industry 4.0 started as one part of 10-point high-tech German strategic plan created in 2006, and the focus for Industry 4.0 is cyber physical system. Industry 4.0 takes the emphasis of digital technology from recent decades to a whole new level with the help of interconnectivity through the Internet of Things, and has access to real-time data and the introduction of cyber physical system. Industry 4.0 offers more comprehensive, interlinked, and holistic approach to manufacturing. It connects physical with a digital and allows for better collaboration to assess process departments, partners, vendors, product, and people. Industry 4.0 also empowers business owners to better control and understand every aspect of their operation, and allows them to leverage instant data to boost productivity, improve process, and drive growth. And there are problems for Industry 4.0. The government realized this big opportunity, however, there are challenges needed to be addressed. The first problem is capital. The various opportunities, the elevated need for investments in the Industry 4.0 is one of the most important topics. Industry 4.0 needs high technologies that requires huge capital. The second problem is human resource. The second challenge is the red lines of human resource, and Indonesia has the 4th largest workforce in the world but very lacking in the talent. According to Manpower Ministry data, Indonesia is dominated by the unskilled labor with a percentage of 60.24% of total 125.44 million laborers, and the skilled labor with the bachelor degree certificate is only 11.60 million laborers. It is very low, as Indonesia has an opportunity to become the 7th biggest economy in 2030, so that the country needs 113 million of skilled laborers, according to the research published. And the third problems is digital infrastructure. Last but not least, Indonesia also has a constraint in the digital infrastructure to boost the 4th industrial revolution. Telkom University roles for Industry 4.0 is maybe for the students, because as we know that there are so many students in Telkom University, and this is really makes sense because Telcoms want students to understand how they can correlate and use and apply the different knowledge and what they really mean, and how they can create synergies among different subjects to develop or create something that connects to real world. This takes us to another very important point. First, students need to work in framework of project, and from there they need to collaborate with their colleges, their teacher, and the outside of the world, and they need to develop new ways of communicating. They need to be put in front of complex situations to develop critical thinking and complex problem solving, and to learn how to be imaginative, creative, adaptable, flexible, and to develop brand plasticity. And Industry 4.0 will require the world to produce a new kind of worker, and they must be critical thinkers, problem solvers, innovators, communicators, and provide value-driven leadership. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry if there are mistakes, and see you later.